Hey, I'm back again with another video. So today we'll try to learn Java super keyword. So let's learn what is Java super keyword, how to use, when to use, and when not to use it. So you must have used super if you are a Java programmer. So super can be used to refer immediate parent class instance variable. Super can be used to invoke immediate parent class methods, and super can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. Let's see with the help of some examples. So you can see we have a class bike. Now if I'll in the bike class constructor, if I'll use super in the constructor, this would be the first statement. This is one of the rule, and then it will call the if there is any parent class. The super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. Whenever you create the instance of subclass, an instance of parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by super reference variable. So in this example, we have a class animal which is getting extended by dog. So in the dog constructor, if I am using the super keyword, that will call the constructor of the animal class. So animal is created and then dog will be created. Okay, so whenever I am calling this in the public static void main dog b equal to new dog, in that case the constructor of dog will be called, as well as constructor of animal will be called. Now in case of let's see with another example. So here you can see if I need to call any parent class variable, so with super I can call that as well. So here you can see in test super 1 which extends test super, if I need to call the parent class, if the variable name is same, and if I want to refer to the parent class variable, then with super.x that will call the variable of superclass. Now here you can see if employee extends from person, and employee has a name and age, and the print, when I am calling the print name, it will call or refer to the name variable which is in the parent class. Now with the similar example of parent-child relationship, so mostly in parent-child relationship only the super keyword is used. So animal class, which is getting extended by the dog class, dog is the child class and animal is the parent class, where you can override the method move and eat. So move, if it is getting overridden by dog in the dog class, if I want to call the move of the animal class through super keyword, I can call that. Okay, so that's the end of the slide, and I hope you understand what is super keyword in Java, how to use it, where all I can use it, and yeah. And if you have any question related to super keyword, just remember only in parent-child relationship you can use super. Super can be used to call constructor methods or variables of the parent class from the child class. Yeah, that's all from today's video. I hope you learned what is super keyword, and if you have any question you can write in the comment section.